Welcome to Crypto News. I am your host, Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now look at what's happening in the market. Everything is back in the green today. We have the stock markets up. We have the Nasdaq, the tech stocks up, and everything seems to be up and pumping. New all-time highs every single day, in fact, for all of the markets. And now we have this, bang, Bitcoin finally up and pumping too. Look at this, 7.5% on the last 7 days, guys. And Bitcoin is back over 80,000 now. It is already $81,500 today here, which is incredible. The fear and greed has gone back up to 48 now, and this is probably going to be over 50 by tomorrow. So all the coins are green, and all of the altcoins are even starting to pump. I mean, we have Tron up 7%, Doge up 10%, Hyperliquid 9%. It's amazing. And if you want to be early, as always, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and join us every single day here on this channel. Now, even we have the meme coin sector. Let's look at that. Coming alive. Look at this coin. It's up 840%. Unstable coin, 26% in the last hour alone. Crazy. And we even have fart coin, guys, coming back to life again, and that's up 12% in the last 24 hours alone. So dog with hat is also up, 13%. So these memes, they have the potential to come back to life again and ignite, a speculative mania, a bull run where everything goes to the moon. So we are keeping an eye on that, basically. Look at the top 100 meme coins. We have Siren, we have Bonk, we have SPX 6900, and we have Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe. All of these coins could be waking up at any moment and pumping. So if you want to be early in the next meme coin that's launching, that is Bitcoin Hyper. So you can find the link to this in the video description below. Now, this is a Bitcoin layer 2 chain built for scalability and speed, and you can ape balls deep in using Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, BNB, or even a debit or credit card here if you want to grab yourself a cheeky and juicy allocation. So this has the ZK Syncs privacy narrative, plus it has the Solana virtual machine narrative, and it has the Lightning Network, Optimism, and all of these things integrated, right? So it's going to be a fast layer 2 chain, and you can bridge directly back to the Bitcoin layer 1 chain. Now, if you go down, you can check out all of their marketing and news, regular news and announcements on their website, as well as their social medias and links and everything, so you can follow them. And then you can even stake and get plus an extra 36% massive high yield staking rewards here once you have bought your allocation to your tokens while you are waiting for the pre-sale. So you can do that by clicking here on the staking section and coming and staking your Hyper tokens in here. Now, 66 buyers did join in the last 24 hours. And we can see up here the live transactions of people aping balls deep here into this new and early project. So if you want to jump into that meme coin, check it out. And this is Best Wallet, guys. So this is a no KYC cryptocurrency wallet that anyone anywhere globally can use, and you can download this on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It is audited by the best security in crypto, which is Certic. Look right here. Okay, and down here it's a multi-chain, wallet, so you can have multiple wallets in one. Okay, so you can manage multiple portfolios, so that you can use this for a meme coin and altcoin trading portfolio. And as you can see, with one click you can swap any coin to any other coin on any blockchain. As you can see, it supports multiple blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, BNB, Solana, Arbitrum, AVAX, even NIA, right? We have Cardano, and we have Optimism, Ton, XRP. Every single thing is supported, and it's basically a cryptocurrency wallet portfolio management app. So to be maximum safe in cryptocurrency, never have all of your crypto in just one exchange or one wallet. Always be diversified across multiple wallets and multiple exchanges to keep yourself protected, guys. So never have all your eggs in one basket. And if you haven't got a no KYC crypto wallet, then you can add this one called Best Wallet, and the link is down below, into your cryptocurrency toolbox for the cryptocurrency bull run. Now, if we check the DeFi market, guys, we do have $86.741 billion and rising here in the DeFi total value locked. It is insane. So this is just recovered from the, we can see at the bar end here, right at the end of this chart, it's starting to spike back up. So this is now recovering after the Aave dump, and everyone in Aave lost all their money, and also the massive hack where people from Aave were affected. So the total value locked for Aave went down so dramatically, but now it's starting to recover. I mean, minus 36% from Aave over the last month here, but over the last 7 days it's gone back up here by 7%, as you can see down here, right? So minus 37 here, and then 7%. So it is recovering. And then if we look at DeFi across all of the blockchains, we do have Ethereum here. $46.5 billion of that value is locked in Ethereum, $5 billion on BNB, $5 billion on Solana, and 5.4 on Bitcoin, even 5 billion on Tron, which is just crazy. 4.5 billion is still locked on base of total value locked across DeFi, 1.7 on Arbitrum, and 1.5 on Hyperliquid. So Hyperliquid is actually growing dramatically right now. In fact, if we look at the stats over here for the top running crypto perp dexes, we can see over here the top chains by fees the last 24 hours. Hyperliquid is still in the lead here. They are generating 1.7 million US dollars every single 24 hours of real, that means real values, real fees, and real revenue being generated. So it's a revenue generating beast or a machine here in the crypto industry. Then we have Tron, close second behind at 1.1 million per day. And then Ethereum generating nearly 500,000 of fees. Then EdgeX, Solana, and BNB also. Even Lighter, right, is starting to grow and increase. So keep an eye on this. Now Lighter is a perp dex on the Ethereum blockchain. We gave you that project early before it launched, right? So we also do have Asta, which is not yet recovering, but if we do look at the Hype chart, we can see Hype is pumping up here. So Hype is looking very good altcoin for this, this bull market. Now, if we come over to the actual top 24-hour coins and we filter, Toncoin is exploding. This is because Parov Durham, how do you say his name? Parov Durov. Anyway, you guys know who I mean. The Telegram founder. He is back and he is in charge of the coin. He's pumping this coin to the moon. He promises that this is going to be a renaissance of, the former glory of the original Telegram Toncoin launch, where it was doing really well at the start, right? And then it just kind of died off. And it's up plus 80% over the last 7 days. And Zcash, which is up 30% in 1 day today. Dash and Near Protocol, we gave you all of these early. And if you want to get the next calls early, of course, you find the early calls before these coins pump only here in the top secret cryptocurrency Discord group, the On-Chain Legends tier here, which you can find the link to join this in the video description below. Okay, the Crypto Insider Discord Signals group, where you have trading, you have mentorship, and you have every single thing, especially early calls. So what is that here? Now we've gone over a lot of these. We do have a lot of different charts, different coins exploding. We have these privacy coins like Zara coming back. We have Railgun here. Okay, so this is actually up 21%. This is a very, very tiny privacy coin. So keep an eye on the privacy narrative, sector and category. Even, Cardano Night is coming back. And we had Cardano exploding up before earlier. So let's take a look at that. So these are the top coins. And guys, Near Protocol. Keep an eye on Near Protocol because that's one of the top AI coins lately. So here we go. Near Protocol is near the top of the gainers over here. Oops, I need to press it one more time, I think. There we go. So Near Protocol is number 4, up 17% in 1 day. It's outrageous. Dash is starting to move here, 18% up. So all of these are looking great. The altcoins are finally coming back to life, guys. If Bitcoin continues going up, let's take a look at the charts now. So we have the S&P 500, we have the Nasdaq, and we have the Dow Jones, as you can see, surging to all-time highs, except from the Dow Jones actually, which still hasn't broken out yet. But all the rest of the US stock indexes, look at this, the Russell 2000 and the US 30, so all of them are at all-time highs. The dollar is steady going sideways along at 98. Okay, the Fed's balance sheet and the money supply are at all-time highs. They are printing. I don't know why the chart is not loading. And MicroStrategy is exploding, going up. Just look at this chart today. Green candles every day. And Michael Saylor today announced he is selling Bitcoin. And it's still going up, so there you go. It is incredible. Stretch, the dividend-paying yield stock for Bitcoin is at 99.97. As soon as it reaches 100, of course, Michael Saylor can start issuing buying more Bitcoin again. So he can start actually buying. Gold, it is at 4,700, going up again, looking green today. And oil crashed down over 10% recently in one candle, as you can see down here. That is because there is a potential of a new Iran-US peace deal coming in the war. The currencies are just doing pretty much nothing. But Bitcoin, guys, look at this. It's starting an uptrend. So we do have this bullish momentum taking us all the way from the bottom. In fact, if we do measure how much Bitcoin's already bounced from the bottom here, it is up. Well, it has rose 38% since the bottom. And so if you want to catch the bottom of the dip and the best calls, of course, early in crypto, just when we caught them, then you can go to the group. Okay. And then looking at the longer term Bitcoin chart, if we do zoom out, guys, and we also take a look at the, the altcoins. Bitcoin, if it goes from where it is now back to the all-time high, you are looking at a 54% pump. That is going to be a massive profit. So if Bitcoin proves everyone wrong, if it goes up here, right, and then gets up to the all-time high, then we could be looking at new all-time highs after that. That would be great if Bitcoin explodes. And that would prove that Bitcoin, is in a new bull run, right? Especially when it breaks the old all-time high. So that is what we're looking for. We are hoping that that's going to happen. but it is quite far away from where we are now, so let's not get too ahead of ourselves. And then we do have the Ethereum chart, which was looking really dead, but it seems to have come back to life. Let's remove that. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So it seems to have come back to life now and starting to go up finally. Solana is very, very dead. Look at this chart. It's barely moving at all, but it's slowly starting to come awake now, but it's taking some while to wake up anymore. So that you need to be focusing only on the strongest coins, not these old dinosaur coins like Solana and Ethereum. You know, so keep an eye on that. Now Zcash, guys, Zcash. As always, we gave it to you early, but this thing is exploding. In fact, look at that. It's nearly at the high, right? It is nearly at the high. If Zcash goes from where it is now all the way up to there, then bang, that would be 31% and it would be at a breakout point. So let's see if Zcash can continue to make new all-time highs. That would be absolutely fantastic. And guys, look at this. Brett was up 10% yesterday, I think, around 9 or 10%. Now today, or was it the day before, I think. Now today is trying to break this sideways resistance. We're going to be keeping our eye on some of these popular meme coins like Brett. We have this sideways thing. If it breaks out of here, then we could be having a massive 100% explosion in Brett in a day or within a week. You know, that's how these meme coins and also other altcoins break out. So if you don't want to miss the early breakouts for that, of course, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, because we are updating you here on the channel every single day about the altcoin market and everything. Here we go. We can see MicroStrategy boss Michael Saylor announces they're going to be selling some Bitcoin to pay their dividends. And it's funny because Bitcoin's actually going up. You would have thought that would be bearish, but Bitcoin's pumping. So there you go. It just shows that the news is not necessarily the most important thing, guys. Always look at the charts. So thank you so much for the amazing support here on the channel every single day. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description below, guys. And also, guys, a lot of you have been signing up to KSEX, which is the top cryptocurrency exchange with the lowest trading fees and a futures trading platform, as you guys know here. And you've been loving it. So to let you guys know who haven't joined up yet, you can join this. The link to this is in the video description. And on here, guys, you can trade futures, right? And you can be trading cryptocurrency on a fantastic cryptocurrency exchange, one of the top ones in crypto. Again, guys, lowest fees and sometimes even zero fees on here. So you can trade all your favorite meme coins and altcoins on here also. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Thank you guys so much for joining every single day right here on this channel. And we will see you guys soon in the next videos.